great rolling the 67 around here. Now, I'm south of Houston, almost by Galveston, in a little town called Kemah. Now, there's a lot going on in this area. There's this thing, what's this place called? Oh, yeah, something like the Johnson Space Center, you know, Mission Control. How cool is that? But there's also this great little eatery here, TBone Toms, where I hear these folks have been hand-cutting their steaks for over 35 years.
14-ounce T-bone, medium.
The food's excellent.
Bacon wrap, filet, really good.
Chicken fried steak.
Real down-home family-style restaurant.
The way it's been since '73,
Orders up.
when General Manager Anna Kennedy first came to work here.
Tom's Choice. It was a meat market. We always sold barbecue. In 1983, we became a restaurant.
You cut all the steaks, all the butchering goes on here, just like always.
Hey, bro, don't fix it. Hamburger's okay?
So when Barry Terrell bought the joint more than 10 years ago, he didn't mess with the old menu. He just added to it, like this top seller. That's a ribeye.
It's a ribeye. After we marinate it, we call it the Tom's Choice.
Tender, juicy, very good.
Okay.
That's a knife.
Yes, it is.
You're gonna cut these up. What size steak?
12 ounce.
That's good looking meat. Nice and uniform, then that goes in the marinade.
That's correct.
What are we putting in? That looks like oil.
Canola corn oil blend. Soy sauce. This is the Worcestershire.
I'm sorry?
Worcestershire sauce.
I can't get it right either.
Pineapple juice.
So we got a little bit of a teriyaki type thing. So you got your soy in there for your little bit of your sugar, granulated garlic,
And we put black pepper.
and mustard.
Dry mustard, correct.
Okay.
We get that all mixed up, get all of our steaks, put them in the marinade. We refrigerate them.
In this.
For one day. We sell them the next day.
The day before the next day is the day that we're gonna sell them.
Yeah, we marinate them.
In the day. Okay, these are ready to go. They've been marinating their day.
Yes.
Hot charbroiler, and on we go.
Cook us one up.
Now, how do you like your steak?
I like it medium rare.
That's about where I'll take mine.
All right, will
Okay.
do.
Oh, there you go. Ah. That's a great steak. That really is. That's a nice, quick, simple, easy marinade. You can't identify just one of the flavors. Wow, that's a nice piece of meat.
Since the marinade, it's awesome.
It's the only place I can get it like I want it.
Hamburger steak.
You've never seen a place like this before.
Everything's excellent here. Made always the same way.
From the chicken fried steak
Eating it for 20 years.
to the chopped beef
Very good.
to this local favorite.
Smoked sausage. We stuff it and then we smoke it on our pit in the back. All here.
Can't beat it.
The sausage is just perfect.
What kind of sausage are we making?
We're making a Polish sausage. It's 50% beef, 50% pork.
Really good fat, good white fat like that is what you want.
Once I get it up there, I'm gonna mix it up.
You're gonna put that in there?
No.
Who's putting that? Oh, am I putting that in
Yeah,
there?
you're putting that in there.
I don't want to mess up my Bobby Hawaiian t-shirt.
Would you like an apron?
Not so much.
Okay. We're gonna grind the meat. Okay, you ready?
Fire away.
Okay.
I think it's the snap and the crackle that just gets it for me.
So now
I'm gonna
we're-
put that back up there again.
Yeah, yes, you are.
All right, fire it up.
Okay.
Oh, now it's just really cranking out.
Yeah.
Makes a different sound. It's not quite as
No.
poppy and smacky.
Right.
It's breaking up, but it's gonna be definitely some core sausage. Okay. So now we're gonna make the seasoning.
Yes.
Seasoned salt.
We buy this from a spice company in this area. The purpose of the water is to help blend it through the meat. Curing salt next.
This is the mix of nitrate and salt. Mustard seed, and a lot of it.
And we're gonna stir it all up.
Punch bowl at the Meat Buffet Palace at Flavor Time. You got that?
You wanna do it?
No, I'm just making sure you got it.
I got it.
Okay.
Pour all this into our meat. So then we're gonna mix all this sausage.
You sit here and mix this for what, 10 minutes? Do you make sure you
Probably,
really got
yeah.
it? Now that the seasoning's mixed in, we grind it one more time. Then we start the casing.
This holds 25 pounds of meat.
Okay.
Ready?
Crank it. Oh, that just gets going, huh? Natural casings.
Yes.
We funnel this out, we cut them into pieces. Now, how long are they gonna smoke?
An hour and a half. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. My mouth's running.
Yeah, this is good.
Hear the little snap of that casing? And look at the juice coming out of that. That is about as tender as sausage I've ever tried. Oh, great. And this is the barbecue sauce that you make with it?
Yes, ketchup.
A little liquid smoke, a little Worcestershire in there.
Hint of red pepper.
I like the barbecue sauce.
Yeah,
You just slice it up like this, people dip it and eat it, and that's all she wrote.
that's it.
Great sausage, thank you.
Thank you.
It's excellent. The barbecue sauce is a really nice compliment to it.
Oh, it's delicious.
Just good home cooking. Burgers, armadillo eggs.
Yep, armadillo eggs.
They're awesome, man.
When we get back, I'll pick up one of these hot molten nuggets. Look at that.
Tom's Choice. boys. Medium rare.
At TBone Toms in Kemah, Texas,
How y'all doing over here?
owner Barry Terrell's moving more than 3,000 pounds of beef every week.
Thank you. It's the only place I can get it like I want it.
They're even packing it in peppers.
I'm having the armadillo eggs.
Like, can you find these anywhere else?
I haven't seen them anywhere else.
A deep-fried jalapeno stuffed with the pride of Texas, smoked brisket. We're going to make the dry rub for the brisket.
That's right. Start with salt,
Some mess of salt. Granulated onion.
granulated garlic, cracked black pepper, fine ground black pepper, paprika, and red pepper.
This came from Tom.
This is actually T-Bone's father's recipe.
So you mix this up, and then we're just gonna rub this,
Rub that side, flip that over.
and that's it.
That's it.
So now how long is it gonna go in the smoker for?
About 16 hours, between 165 and 175.
Lower and slower?
Yeah, it's gonna be real tender.
Whoa! Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at how the fat on top of this is almost into liquid. So all that fat has basted that meat while it cooked. Oh, oh. You gonna break this all the way down?
Yeah.
Well, just get into it, doctor.
Okay,
Oh, look at that.
isn't that pretty?
Like a fine wine.
That's right.
Look at that smoke ring right there. Now pick up the smoke flavor, but not overbearing. The fat in the meat, that's just gonna melt. It doesn't get any more tender than that.
No,
But I want to fill up on all this because we still got to do with those armadillo eggs.
that's correct. We chop it up in our buffalo chopper.
Load it up with homemade barbecue sauce, then it's headed for a jalapeno. Seeded and deveined. These are pickled.
Yes, stuff it with the brisket and
Barbecue sauce. Brisket meets baked potato, twice cooked.
pretty
Okay.
much. Roll it around in the flour. Buttermilk. Toss that around.
How many come with an order?
4.
Of that size?
Yes.
Oh, so a double dredgy, dippy, floury.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And then into the panko?
Yes,
Wow, look at the size of that thing. We're gonna drop that in the fryer, 350 degrees.
that's correct.
And what do we serve that with?
Ranch dressing.
They're really this size?
Yes. Everything's big in Texas.
Look at that. Filled with barbecue, jalapenos. Oh, yeah. Wow. I mean, the barbecue's great. The jalapeno being a pickled jalapeno really makes it. That's an added little flavor that you wouldn't expect. Okay. I mean, killer.
Armadillo eggs,
They're awesome, man.
chicken fried steak.
This is the one place if you say TBone Toms, everybody will come.
It's really good.
Everything's great about it.
It's remarkable that you kept it the way it was. Someone came in 30 years ago and they come in now. You want to be able to have that same experience. Congratulations.
Thank you.